Tired of brilliant portraits being ruined by distracting glare on glasses? Let's fix that in Lightroom. First, open your image in Lightroom's Develop module. Our goal is to selectively reduce highlights and clarity in the glare area. Grab the healing brush tool from the toolbar. It's often the most effective for smaller, more defined glare spots. Make sure it's set to heal for the best blending. Carefully draw a small circle over the glare area on one of the lenses. Lightroom will automatically select a source area. If it's not ideal, manually drag the source circle to a clean, non-glare part of the face, like the forehead or cheek, maintaining similar skin tones. Repeat this process for all noticeable glare spots on the lenses. Remember to use small, precise strokes for natural results. For larger, more diffused glare, the Radial filter is your best friend. Click on the Radial filter icon and draw an elliptical shape over the affected lens. Now, within the Radial filter panel, reduce the highlight slider considerably. This will dim down the bright glare. Next, subtly decrease the clarity slider to soften the reflection. Don't go too far, or it will look unnatural. You can easily duplicate this Radial filter by right-clicking on its pin and selecting Duplicate for the other lens, then adjust its position as needed. And there you have it. Say goodbye to distracting glare and hello to clear, captivating eye contact in your portraits.